What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Let's have a look at the incredible capabilities that Fliki AI adds to your video making process. To begin, use my link in the description to navigate to the Fliki AI website and create an account. Follow the simple steps in the confirmation email delivered to your registered inbox to authenticate your account. Fliki AI is your permanently free buddy in the world of video making. Fliki AI's promise of being forever free distinguishes it from other platforms. In contrast to other platforms that offer restricted access or concealed fees, Fliki AI sticks to its word. Though there are paid levels of service, you won't have to worry about unexpected costs or expiring trial periods. Now that your account is set up and ready to go, let's get into the thick of things with Fliki AI. Let's click New File. Remember that we're making YouTube videos, so leave the video option selected. There are 16 different languages and dialects of English to choose from. We'll keep it on United States for our purposes. Name your file and let Fliki know what your starting material is in the Start With section. It can be an empty file, idea, blog, PowerPoint file, or tweet. Imagine you have a concept you want to turn into an exciting video. Select the Idea option and enter your video idea. Let's say your idea for your video is something like, who would win in a fight between a tiger and a gorilla? Type your idea into the Idea to Video text box. Describe any other preferences you might have in mind with the help of Fliki AI. This phase is the key to producing material that flawlessly complements your company's image or your unique personality. Tell Fliki AI whether you'd like the video to be 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes long. Select the style of the video from options like default, tutorial, explainer, motivational, informational, or marketing. Click submit and then sit back and watch what happens next. Fliki AI will provide you with a breakdown of your video scene by scene. You will have the option to insert background music in your video based on the emotion you prefer to convey to your audience. You can choose your text to speech voice over next. Despite whatever you heard from a popular YouTuber, yes, you can monetize text-to-speech on YouTube if the audio quality is very good. Sarah is Fliki AI's default voice. Let's hear how she sounds.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Nice, but that's not quite what I'm looking for. My audience is mostly male, so we'll try Jacob next.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Okay, let's try Christopher next.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
I like Jacob best, so we'll use Jacob. Let me know what you think of them in the comments. Remember to click Apply this voice to all the voiceovers and click Select. You can also alter the voiceover's volume and speed using the toggles on the right of the screen. Feel free to explore the other controls there at your leisure. Fliki videos have a default aspect ratio of 1:1, which is best for platforms like Instagram. We're making YouTube videos, so we'll need to go to Settings, go down to the Aspect Ratio dropdown, and click Landscape 16:9 and save to make the video the correct aspect ratio. Let's move on to the next exciting stage, bringing your material to life. It is time to preview your work after you have adjusted the options to your satisfaction. Click the play button under the video in order to watch the preview. Let's see what we came up with.
Who would win in a fight between a tiger and a gorilla?
We're ready to export the video if it meets your expectations. Generate the video by clicking the download button and clicking Start Export. Fliki AI will immediately go to work. And after doing a thorough analysis of the information that you have provided, its cutting-edge algorithms take over. You will be able to observe Fliki AI at work in creating a draft of your content vision in a matter of seconds. You can now see the concepts rapidly materializing in the world around you. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell if you're enjoying our content. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribe," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Let's discuss price. Fliki AI is free forever at its most basic level. You can explore Fliki AI's numerous services to get advanced features and find the plan that best meets your content development needs. Fliki AI offers a variety of solutions geared to your goals, whether you're just starting or looking to expand significantly. The free plan allows you to get started without making a financial commitment, allowing you to create up to 5 minutes of audio and watermarked video content per month. It makes it easier to turn written materials like articles, presentations, and tweets into exciting multimedia. Furthermore, a variety of voices in various languages adds to its attractiveness. Next is the standard plan, which is a popular option for professionals. It's just $21 a month paid yearly for those seeking a more comprehensive experience. This gives you access to a hefty audio material allowance of 180 minutes of credits per month, the availability of over 850 voices in 75 languages and dialects, and video content using full HD 1080p videos. It also offers access to millions of premium images, video clips, and music assets, and the ability to create 15-minute-long watermark-free videos, which assures a polished end product. If you're a power user or a business looking to improve content development, the premium plan provides unrivaled functionality for $66 per month, paid yearly. The bundle includes 1,800 plus voices, 950 plus ultra-realistic voices, and a generous 600-minute allotment for audio and watermark-free video content. The ability to generate videos up to 30 minutes in length and advanced capabilities such as voice cloning and API access make this an excellent alternative for companies trying to increase the impact of their material. Each plan is carefully crafted to adapt to your creative path, unlocking potential and empowering content producers of all sizes. With Fliki AI, you can create videos on your terms. You are about to enter a world where artificial intelligence makes simple content production possible, thanks to Fliki AI. This platform is designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, providing you with the tools necessary to create compelling content. And would you believe it? By adhering to the easy guide we've shown you, you can take advantage of an approach that will help you save time while also producing high-quality material tailored to your specific needs. So, dive headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence and let Fliki AI serve as the door opener to your formidable capacity for content production. Now that we've looked into the enormous possibilities of Fliki AI, the permanently free AI video generator, consider earning $450 a day from your YouTube videos. Consistency is essential for accomplishing this aim and producing high-quality content. Check out the video on your screen to see other AI resources that will help you in your content creation journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.